Hey everyone, in this video I will explain how to fix Minecraft launcher not working. So please follow the steps with me and let's get started. The first solution is you need to make sure your gaming services or your Xbox app is updated. And also you need to make sure your Windows is all up to date. So to do that, just go to Windows Update, then check for updates manually, and if there is any updates available, make sure to download and install them. Next solution, on your keyboard press Windows key and R to open up Run. Type in the app data and click OK. Over here, delete launcher_profiles. By deleting this file is not going to cause any problem, as once you relaunch Minecraft, it will automatically recreate it for you. The next solution is to repair Minecraft. So to do that, open up your settings. So just right click on your Windows Start button and open up your settings. On the left, click on Apps and then select Install Apps. On the top, click on search bar and look for Minecraft. Once you find Minecraft launcher, then on the right, click on these three dots and select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Repair. Once the repair process is completed, then in your search bar, search for Minecraft. Make sure to run it as administrator, then this should fix the issue. If you're still having a problem, then the next solution is to reset or uninstall Minecraft. So to do that, open up your settings again, click on Apps, then select Install Apps, search for Minecraft again, click on these three dots and select Advanced Options. Okay, just to mention something before you proceed with reset, you need to make sure to save all your files that you have created in Minecraft, as if you don't save them, you will lose all of them. So once you saved it, then click on Reset, and after that click on Uninstall. So after you uninstall the Minecraft, then you can install it either from Xbox app or you can just download it from Microsoft Store. Microsoft Store version is more reliable. Then once you install it, it will be a fresh install and hopefully it should be working fine. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.